Morning, everybody. I wanted to make this little video to help you understand some of the things I'm using in my home office. Um, so let me get to it. The most important thing, if you are using your desktop from the what's it called, the district, get a surge protector or take your surge protector with you, please. Don't plug your stuff, your electronic stuff, directly into the sockets. If we have a power outage and it cycles back on, it will fry your desktop. The surfaces can be plugged directly in. Do you see that little thing right there? That is a built-in surge protector. That is a small battery backup that will protect it. I'm using just a cheap little, I think that thing was $5. That's all you need. Something that will keep it from getting fried. It just works just like a breaker. It'll trip, and then it'll pop back on. Do not plug a desktop ever, or any expensive electronic product. Please don't plug it into the wall. Okay, so in order to get a faster connection, I have this right here. Okay, it's just a little dongle that will plug into your USB port. All right, and then you can plug 3 separate peripheral devices in. Peripheral means additional. That will also, the Ethernet connection also goes to this. This is my Orbi. These things are not cheap. If you want to get some sort of mesh system that has that functionality, the different ports in the back, that is great. I don't think the district will pay for those, though. They're pretty expensive, and technically it's just for your house. The way those work is when you have a bunch of different things in your house taking Wi-Fi, you have like 15, 20 different devices pulling off the Wi-Fi. This will help condense them into one access point for the Wi-Fi, rather than right now I would have 4 different things if I had 4 different things plugged in. So it just helps the traffic on your network. Also, if you have 2 networks, which almost every modem does now, a 2.4 gigahertz and a 5.0 gigahertz, most people just have everything connected to one. If you can move things, like Hector was explaining yesterday, to other networks on your computer, on your home network, or to the other one, the slower one, the faster one, then that will greatly increase your Wi-Fi capabilities, your Wi-Fi speeds. That has to be done within the router itself. I can teach you how to go in there if you need, or I can give you a video. There's tons of great videos on YouTube, better than I could do. Okay. The other piece, and this is the one that Kara has a bunch of, is this little HDMI, mini HDMI. This part goes into the surface. This part goes into the HDMI cable going to the back of your monitor, right there. Okay, and this will allow you to extend, not duplicate, extend your desktop so then you have 2 monitors. Okay, I'm gonna keep using the Surface for now, see how it works. But I may end up going to get my desktop. We'll see. I also just have a cheap little keyboard, cheap little mouse, some old Dell stuff from my old job back in the day. You don't need to spend a bunch of money on these. These do take up 2 USB ports, though. Keep that in mind. If you are going to go with a wireless one, you can get ones on Amazon for like $20. I had the one in my office was a $20 Amazon wireless keyboard that some student broke. Well, it's $20. But that will only take 1 port. So if you plan on plugging multiple things in, the only other thing I have is I have a better webcam that I might as well use. So I do have that webcam, which we'll see. It covers up the tabs on my Surface, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it there. But then if I put it on my thing, then you're going to see all this junk in my room too. Paint cans, diapers. Yes, this is a storage room, really. Try to have a quiet space in your house. I know we're not all in that position, but do the best you can. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, so that's what I recommend. Everything together, those 2 pieces, the one Kara has, the other one, that you can get that for $10-15, man. It's not expensive. You don't really need all the other stuff that I have. So yeah, thanks guys.